How to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Hey guys, let's get started. So first open up your Instagram application, and once it opens up, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner, and from the given options, select settings. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down and select help, and tap on help center. Now from here, search for deactivate or delete my account. Now from here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner, and from here, tap on manage your account. Now select delete your account and select temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. And there you'll find a description or a brief method to deactivate your account. Well, that doesn't really work. So what we're going to do is tap on delete your Instagram account right here. Now from here, select Android app help button. And from the given options, select mobile browser help. Now again, scroll down and tap on delete your account under to request the permanent deletion of your account. But we're not really here to delete our account, are we? So what we're going to do is select temporarily deactivate your account text right here that has been highlighted in the blue. Also, you must have noticed by now that all the options that I clicked were highlighted in blue. So please pay close attention to it. And now here, select the reason why you want to deactivate your account. Set a time, and to finalize your action, enter your password once again. Once you're done, click on temporarily deactivate your account button and yes to confirm. Well, pretty long process, but that's it. So with this, your Instagram account will be temporarily deactivated. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.